A day in the life of an IT help desk professional involves troubleshooting technical issues, responding to support tickets, and assisting users with hardware, software, and network problems. They prioritize requests, ensure minimal downtime, and provide guidance through calls, emails, or in-person visits. Their role often includes documenting solutions, maintaining systems, and collaborating with other IT teams to address complex challenges, ensuring seamless technology operations. Understanding the role. This presentation will take you behind the scenes of an IT help desk, giving you a glimpse into the daily experiences and challenges faced by these professionals. Insights for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or simply curious about how IT support operates, this presentation offers valuable insights. First point of contact. IT help desk professionals are the first line of defense for technology-related issues, providing support to individuals and teams. Technical expertise. They possess a wide range of technical skills, from troubleshooting software problems to configuring hardware. Customer-focused. They are adept at communicating effectively with users of all technical backgrounds, explaining complex issues in simple terms. Troubleshooting. Identifying and resolving issues with computers, software, network connectivity, and more. Technical support. Providing guidance and assistance to users with software applications, hardware setup, and system configuration. Password management. Resetting passwords, managing user accounts, and enforcing security policies. Incident management. Documenting and tracking IT incidents, escalating complex issues to higher-level teams. Technical proficiency. Knowledge of operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, networking fundamentals, and common software applications. Communication skills. Clear and concise communication, ability to explain technical issues in plain language. Problem solving. Analytical skills, ability to diagnose and resolve technical issues efficiently. Time management. Ability to prioritize tasks, manage multiple requests, and work under pressure. Help desk ticketing system. Centralized platform for managing and tracking all user support requests and their progress. Remote access software. Secure tools for providing real-time assistance to users from any location. Network monitoring tools. Advanced systems for tracking network performance and identifying potential issues. Diagnostic software. Specialized tools for identifying and troubleshooting hardware problems. Collaboration tools. Integrated platforms for team communication and knowledge sharing. Morning. Check emails, review open tickets, prioritize tasks. Midday. Handle user requests, troubleshoot issues, collaborate with team. Afternoon. Project work, documentation, training, end-of-day tasks. Check emails. Review emails for urgent requests and new tickets. Prioritize tasks. Create a to-do list for the day, focusing on high-priority issues. Team communication. Brief team members on any urgent matters or upcoming tasks. Listen actively. Carefully listen to the user's description of the issue, asking clarifying questions. Gather information. Obtain relevant details like the user's name, location, and a description of the problem. Document the issue. Create a ticket in the help desk system to track the request and progress. Provide initial assistance. Offer basic troubleshooting steps, such as restarting the device or checking network connectivity. Password resets. Assisting users with forgotten passwords, ensuring secure access to systems. Software problems. Troubleshooting software errors, installing updates, and resolving application conflicts. Network connectivity. Diagnosing and resolving issues with internet access, network connections, and VPNs. Hardware malfunctions. Troubleshooting hardware issues, such as printer problems, broken keyboards, or slow computers. Analyze system logs. Reviewing system logs and event history for clues about the problem. Check network configuration. Verifying network settings, IP addresses, and DNS configurations. Monitor system performance. Identifying any resource-intensive processes that might be causing slowdowns. Handling multiple requests. Juggling multiple tickets and requests throughout the day, requiring careful prioritization of urgent issues while maintaining efficiency. Collaborating with team. Working closely with other IT professionals to tackle complex technical challenges, sharing expertise and escalating issues when necessary. Active listening. Listen attentively to understand the user's problem, ask clarifying questions. Empathy and patience. Show understanding and patience, especially when dealing with frustrated users. Clear and concise communication. Explain technical issues in simple terms, avoiding jargon. Positive and professional demeanor. Maintain a professional and helpful attitude, even under pressure. If an issue is beyond the help desk's expertise, it is escalated to a senior technician or specialist. The escalation process involves documenting the issue, providing relevant information, and transferring the ticket to the appropriate team. Communication is key during escalation, keeping the user informed about the process and expected resolution time. Stay calm and professional. Maintain a calm and professional demeanor, avoiding personal attacks. Active listening and empathy. Acknowledge their frustration, show understanding and empathy. De-escalate the situation. Use calming language, avoid arguing, and focus on finding a solution. Time management. Utilize the lunch break effectively, prioritizing urgent tasks, or catching up on documentation. Stress relief. Step away from the computer, take a walk, engage in relaxation techniques to reduce stress. Project planning. Collaborate with team members to plan and execute projects related to IT infrastructure or security updates. Documentation and reporting. Create documentation for new systems, update knowledge base articles, and generate reports on incident trends. Training and development. Attend training sessions or webinars to enhance technical skills and stay up to date with industry trends. Phishing awareness. Educate users about phishing scams, how to identify suspicious emails and websites. Password security. Promote strong passwords, encourage users to change passwords regularly, and implement multi-factor authentication. Data privacy. Inform users about data privacy policies, emphasize the importance of data security and responsible data handling. Connect to the user's computer remotely using specialized software, gaining access to their desktop. Troubleshoot the issue remotely, guiding the user through steps or making necessary changes. Ensure the issue is resolved, test the solution, and document the steps taken for future reference. Identify the source. Identify the specific hardware component that is causing the problem. Test components. Use diagnostic tools and testing equipment to confirm the faulty component. Replace or repair. Replace the faulty component, or send the device to a repair center. Close open tickets. Resolve any outstanding tickets, ensuring all issues are addressed. Document resolutions. Record detailed notes on the solutions implemented for future reference. Generate reports. Create reports on incident trends, common issues, and overall performance. Ticket resolution time. Average time it takes to resolve a ticket, a measure of efficiency. Customer satisfaction. User feedback and ratings on the quality of support provided. Average response time. Time it takes for a help desk agent to respond to a user request. Knowledge base. Creating and maintaining a knowledge base with solutions to common issues, providing self-service options for users. Reports and analytics. Generating reports on ticket trends, common issues, and user behavior. Process documentation. Documenting standard operating procedures for handling different types of requests. Stay up to date with the latest technologies, software updates, and industry best practices. Attend training courses, webinars, and conferences to enhance technical skills. Pursuing certifications, CompTIA+, Microsoft Certified Professional, etc., demonstrates expertise and commitment to professional development. Senior Help Desk Agent. Taking on more responsibilities, mentoring junior staff, and leading projects. IT Systems Administrator. Managing and maintaining server systems, network infrastructure, and security. IT Project Manager. Leading and coordinating IT projects, managing budgets, and ensuring successful implementation. Set boundaries. Establish clear work hours and avoid working late into the night. Take breaks. Step away from the computer regularly to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Prioritize self-care. Engage in activities you enjoy, get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. Solving a complex problem. Overcoming a challenging technical issue, leaving the user impressed with the expertise and dedication. Exceeding expectations. Going above and beyond to help a user, exceeding their expectations for support. Building relationships. Developing strong relationships with users, fostering trust and positive interactions. Constant pressure. Dealing with a high volume of requests, tight deadlines, and the need to resolve issues quickly. Dealing with frustrated users. Handling difficult users, maintaining professionalism, and providing empathetic support. Keeping up with technology. Staying up to date with the latest technologies, software updates, and industry trends. IT help desk is essential. IT help desk professionals play a critical role in ensuring smooth operations and user satisfaction. Strong skills are required. A combination of technical expertise, communication skills, and problem-solving abilities is crucial. Opportunities for growth. IT help desk provides a foundation for a rewarding career path in IT. In conclusion, a day in the life of an IT help desk professional is dynamic and focused on problem-solving, communication, and teamwork. Their efforts ensure smooth technology operations, empower users, and support the overall productivity of the organization.